Okay, let's bring in Jonas Max Ferris and Jonathan Hoenig on this sweeping rejection of the government's lawsuit trying to block the AT&T and Time Warner $85 billion merger. Jonathan, the question and answers with the lawyer for the AT&T side of the case, Jonathan, he was saying no divestment of CNN, so AT&T gets to own Game of Thrones, DirecTV, and more. Your reaction to the verdict?
And they get to compete. This is a resounding win for AT&T, Liz, and hopefully for the media industry and the industry writ large. Antitrust, which is what the government, is about here, is regulation, and specifically regulation of companies whose efforts really is simply to merge to become more efficient, more productive. So this is obviously bullish for the stocks, but I think it's also bullish for the industry and also bullish for the bull market. Now these big companies are going to be able to get the scale. They really need to compete.
Yeah, because it's Amazon and Netflix with streaming. Yep. Jonas, what about the little guy's wallet? What about their pocketbooks out there? Because, Jonas, the real backstory is there are only 4 or 5 telecom giants in this country. They dominate the market. They're the ones dictating what your cable bill is and your phone bill. People don't like how expensive it's getting. Go ahead, Jonas.
Yeah, but the service is getting cheaper, and it's expensive for a lot of complicated reasons that include paying for content the slow way, not buying a company that owns content. It's not really... Look, there was a day where this merger shouldn't have gone through. There's no question 5, 10, 15 years ago, this wouldn't have been great for consumers. But they're losing... This is a cash cow business. It's not in a position to have that much strength. That's why the dividend's so high and the P so low. They're not in a powerful position like Google or Netflix or Amazon. And it's a little desperate. They possibly overpaid, sort of like with DirecTV. But at the end of the day, people are moving away from the $200 DirecTV bundle to the $40 DirecTV Now-ish bundle. And the margins are slowly going down, and investors don't think it has a lot of cash flow potential down the road, even though right now it's very high margin, it is very low cost business, and it's existing customers. But they need to have the free HBO deal to make you pay for these phones down the road. That's what they're worried about.
And Jonathan, we're popping up Comcast in 21st Century for a reason. And now it's going to be Comcast versus Disney, Jonathan. You could expect more M&A deals because Comcast is going to go after 21st Century Fox's assets.
And what it ultimately looks like, EMAC, we really have no idea. I mean, it wasn't too long ago we were debating whether or not Netflix would survive having given up the DVD business. That really wasn't too long ago. Too long ago, they've gone on to reshape entertainment as we know it, and that process continues. So what AT&T, what this content from Time Warner ultimately looks like, how it's delivered, Liz, we don't know. We do know that now these major American companies will be able to compete internationally because they're not going to be held back by the government's gun.
That's a good point. Jonathan just raised an important point, Jonas, because overseas, people get their streaming on the cheap for like $1 a month in some countries we're seeing. And, Jonas, that's the real backstory. It's the guys with the balance sheets here in the United States who are going to survive. Netflix is all in balance sheet debt with off balance included. It swamps its shareholder equity. I mean, so Netflix could get bought out. I mean, we're seeing a whole upheaval going on in the landscape of streaming content right now, Jonas.
Yeah, I don't know. The government hasn't stopped. All these companies are here, all the biggest media, telecom companies, all the internet companies. So I don't know how they've been held back at any point. In fact, they haven't been regulated much, especially in the internet area. That's part of the reason they've grown so much. As far as our internet is crappy compared to other countries, and it's partially because, well, the size of our country, but there's also issues where the government didn't kind of develop one standard and they're competing with each other, and then you're still getting DSL accounts that are offering like dial-up speeds in rural areas and paying $50 a month for it. It's not a perfect system in America for the internet service. That's the commodity utility grade part that's, if anything needs to look at, it's that. The media part is very vibrant, competitive. Netflix creates its own content, Amazon does. That area needs no government oversight, at least. If you want a place to worry about, it's what if AT&T starts charging Netflix to stream content to the AT&T subscribers, but not for HBO.
Exactly, that's the problem. We're going to be staying on that pocketbook issue that Jonas just brought up. Great stuff from you too, Jonathan. Really appreciate your reaction there.